What? My, grabe ang bilis-bilis na mag-reply. Jenny, I miss you. Ay, na-miss. Na-miss niya ako. Grabe, na-miss niya ako. Magpakipot tayo, syempre. Magpakipot muna pa. Ah, really? Really? You miss me? Oy, nag-busy. Can I call you? Oh, lady. Oh, matatawag na siya sa akin. Di ano natin naman. Handa na tabara sa English tani. Ay, sige. Ay, tatawag na siya. Hello?
Hello, Jenny?
Wow! Hi.
Yes, I've been searching for you. I've been looking for you everywhere from TikTok to Facebook. Even I'm searching you in also. But I didn't find you. Why are you hiding?
Really?
Yes, I miss you.
I cannot search you also in social media. Even in my dream, I cannot
How
search.
can you search my name? It's Arabic, no? It's very hard. But I've been trying to search your name, searching from Facebook, anywhere. I almost wanted to put your photo in the streets just to find you, Jenny.
Really?
Yes. How are you?
I'm good. Actually, I've been missing you also for a long time.
Really?
Yes.
Jenny, I wanted to see you in person. Yeah. Are you available this Friday at Big C Restaurant and Cafe?
I will talk to my madam. My day off is Friday, but I will talk first my madam if she will agree if I will go out.
No problem. So you have my number. Just contact me. That is Orido number. Okay, the 6043-7147. Okay. So I hope to see you this coming Friday because really, Jenny, I really miss you.
Forever, magmula nung nakilala kita.
Kaya nga di ako sumurrender. Ano man ang sinasabi nila.
Pagkat sa'yo natagpuan ang pinakahit sa akin.
At sa'yo naramdaman.
Dumating nga po ang araw na yun. At sobra kong pinaghandaan. Nagpasalon ako at nagpa-puts pa sa stylistic salon.
Wow!
At doon nga po ang una naming pagkikita sa loob ng Big C Restaurant and Cafe. Gwapa na bala kita sini. Ay, nagpasalon pa naman ako sa stylistic salon. Pero nami, ang guyang ko ba, natanggal lang ako ng mga blackheads at saka mga whiteheads. Grabe, giyang stylistic salon.
So this is the Big C Restaurant and Cafe. So where is Jenny? She's there. Hello, Jenny.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
It's been a long time.
Thank you.
I want to give you something. These flowers is for here.
Thank you.
Jenny, I don't want to waste I don't want to waste my time. Okay, because my style is same like Paul Carlos. I want to give you these flowers. I want to tell you that since the last time I saw you in the swimming pool with Ahmad, your alaga, I've been thinking of you. And Jenny,
Ay, grabe siya.
Jenny, I want you to be my girlfriend.
Wow!
Can you be my girlfriend?
Actually,
Yes.
I feel the same way.
Really?
At ngayon, nandyan ka na. Di mapaliw.
So tell me, do you have any boyfriend? Or baka may asawa ka na?
Why should I come to you here if I still have one? Of course, I don't have one.
Because I know some Filipino ladies here, especially in this country. Every time you ask them if they are single, they always said yes. But anyway, the most important thing is that I found you one. I found you again. And I will never ever gonna lose you.
At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang
Pero nagkaroon ng isang problema, Madam Dong, ang kanyang pamilya. Pinagtapat niya sa kanyang pamilya na kami at sinabi lahat ang status ko sa buhay. Hindi ko nilihim ang lahat sa kanya, ang lahat ng katayuan ko. Pinagtapat ko lahat sa kanya. Tinanggap niya ako ng buo, pero ang tanging pamilya niya lang ang tutol sa aming relasyon. Ibrahim, I saw the messages from your family. And
What's the problem?
And I saw there that they don't like me. How you can marry me if your family doesn't like me?
What is the problem if they don't like you? The most important thing is that I love you.
Wow!
No, Ibrahim. A lot of guys telling I love you, but they have marry here in other country.
Habibi. For 3 years and 2 days of our relationship. What's the matter with you? You never see me chatting to any ladies. It's only you night and day, you and me. So what's this? You're making jealous. Don't worry about my parents. If they don't like you, I like you.
You know, Thomas guy there is telling that they have family in their country.
The only reason why my parents don't like you, it's because you have a son. You have already have a kid. So I don't care. I don't care if you are already have a kid before. The most important thing in this world is just I find you again. My English is in danger.
Even though I want to settle down, everything is okay with your family.
Don't worry about my family, Habibi. Think of me, not them. They are not the one who will with you for the rest of your life. It's me.
Your culture is different, not like in Philippines, yeah, Ibrahim.
Why are you thinking about this, Habibi? We don't think about culture. Sino wala? It's my love for you. It's the most important thing. I will marry you any church. Even anywhere. Don't worry.
Okay, I will see if you will fight for me.
I will fight for you. I will make tumba everybody. And then I will tell them to stand up again after I make tumba them. Because I will fight for you. So don't worry. It's you and me. Okay?
Okay, I will see. Let's see.
Naniniwala na ako sa forever Magmula nung nakilala kita
Eh kaya nga di ako sumurrender. Ano man ang sinasabi nila.
Pagkat sa'yo natagpuan Ang pinakait sa akin
At sa'yo naramdaman.
Ramdam kong mahal na mahal niya ako, Madam Dong. Dumating sa point na nagpaplano siya na magpakasal kami sa labas ng bansa. Sa pag-end ng contract ko ay i-process niya ang aming paper to Europe.
Wow.
Kasi ayaw niyang magstay sa Egypt. Nalito po ako, Ate Dong. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang aking gagawin. Sasama ba ako sa kanya? Susundin ko ba ang puso ko para lang maipagpatuloy namin ang aming relasyon? Sana matulungan niyo ako, Madam Dong, at mabigyan ng payo. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagbabasa. Hanggang dito na lang. Lubos na gumagalang, Jenny.
At ngayon, nandyan ka na.